Hi guys, my name's Sean Bromley. I'm from All Seasons Houseboats. This is our latest entertainment package that we've just put on. It's called an RTI system. It controls everything on the boat. But what it does need to control on the boat, it needs Wi-Fi. So now we've got rolling Wi-Fi. So everywhere you go along the river, you're going to get Wi-Fi. So the other beauty of this system is that all the zones work independently. So if we want to look at the zones here, we can see we've got the lounge, the back deck, the front deck, and also upstairs. So you can control them from here, but you can also control them from all those points. So upstairs, there's a keypad upstairs that controls it. So in the lounge, we just simply press the lounge. The beauty of us now having Wi-Fi, and that's Wi-Fi for your entertainment things as well, your phones and everything like that. We can now have Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, and satellite TV. So if we want to watch TV, we simply press the TV button, the TV turns on, and then we just watch whatever program we want. Foxtel, we press the Foxtel button again, and again the system changes the TV to Foxtel, and we can watch any Foxtel programs. Netflix, we can press Netflix, and again we can watch any of the programs that are all on Netflix. DVD is still there for you people that have still got DVDs and stuff that you want to watch. Bluetooth, you can Bluetooth your phone, and the beauty of this system too, it's very user friendly. So up the top here it has Bluetooth setup. So if you want to go through how to set it up, it tells you how to set up your system. So we'll go back to the menu. The next one's radio, which is fairly obvious. And then the one after that is Spotify. So we now have a Spotify account on the boat, and you can listen to thousands and thousands of songs. And the last one is satellite TV. So you press satellite TV and everything on satellite you can now watch. It also has the ability that you can actually download an app on your phone, and then this whole system will be on your phone, and anywhere in the boat you can control the stereo system off your phone. So it's been really well received. It's on our 4 newest boats. So on the 4, Boatel, Ultimate, Extreme and Platinum have all had these systems fitted, and they've been a great success.